Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create connections between related tickets in Jira so you can keep your work organized and dependencies clear. First, go ahead and open the ticket you'd like to link from. This will be your starting point for creating the connection. You'll see a Link Issue button here. Clicking this opens up the linking options where you can establish relationships between tickets. Notice the Linked Issue field that appears. This is where you'll define how the tickets relate to each other, whether one blocks another, relates to it, or duplicates it. Now you'll choose which specific issue you want to connect to. Just search for it or browse through your recent tickets to find the right one. Once you've made your selection, just click the Link button to finalize the connection between these two issues. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to link tickets together in Jira to better track dependencies and relationships across your projects.